Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Battery. Following that, click on this gray switcher next to Performance Mode feature. And as you can see, after that, high performance is on. But you can always turn it off by choosing the same no blue switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!